How to build wealth from zero, even if you're broke right now. Building wealth is not about making a lot of money. It's about keeping, controlling, and multiplying what you earn. Most people focus only on income, but real wealth comes from a simple system: earn, save, invest, multiply. Nobody really teaches you how to build wealth. When you have nothing, no savings, no connections, no head start, just pressure, bills, and the constant feeling that you're behind. So you start asking yourself, is it even possible to build wealth from zero? The answer is yes, but not the way most people think. Because when you're broke, advice sounds unrealistic. Just invest. Start a business. Save your money. But how do you invest when there's nothing left? How do you save when income barely covers survival? That's where most people get stuck. The real problem is not that you're broke. It's that you're trying to use wealth strategies meant for people who already have money. And that doesn't work, because building wealth from zero requires a different approach, a different mindset, a different system. The first stage is not wealth, it's stability. At this level, your goal is simple: control your money. You need to track where your money goes, cut unnecessary leaks, build discipline, not to become rich, but to stop being unstable. Once you have control, the next step is increase your income, not randomly, strategically. Focus on learning a high-value skill, monetizing that skill, building a second income stream. The 4 core steps: earn more, increase income. Learn high-value skills or create multiple income streams. Income is your starting point. Control your spending. Track your money and avoid unnecessary expenses. What you don't control, you lose. Save and build capital. Always keep a portion of what you earn. Savings equals fuel for wealth. Invest and multiply. Put your money into assets that grow over time. Money should work for you, because wealth cannot grow without excess income. This is where most people fail. They earn more, but they don't change their system, so money disappears again. Instead, you must create structure, allocate money intentionally, separate spending and investing, build consistency. Now money starts staying. Now you're ready for what people call wealth. This is where you invest, build assets, create passive income. At this stage, money starts multiplying, not because you're lucky, but because you built the foundation. Most people try to skip steps. They jump to investing without stability. They chase quick money without systems, and that's why they stay stuck. Building wealth is not one move, it's a sequence. Miss the order and everything collapses. Follow it correctly and everything compounds. You don't become wealthy overnight. Wealth is built through consistency, discipline, long-term thinking. You're not behind, you're just at the beginning. And once you understand the process, everything becomes clearer. Wealth is not built by luck. It's built by systems, discipline, and time. If you want to understand how money really works step by step, subscribe to Capital Mechanics, because here, we don't just talk about money, we break down the system behind.